Hello, I'm back again. So, I want to just first edit links all over, all over, like all types of links. So what I'm going to do is use A, going to do that. So, what I can do is just change color or whatever. I can basically do everything that I could do for letter for just everything else here. All the word stuff. And now I just want to delete this because I want to actually edit all just different kinds of links. So I'm going to type in a link, and I'm going to do copy this. See, because the A link is for unvisited files. Then there is visited for pretty obviously visited files. There is active for things you've just clicked, for active files, or active links, And now there's hovered. Hovering. Pretty obvious when you're hovering over some link. Now it's what I can do is delete the link and visited codes and put them into one thing because I want to make buttons. So to do that, I do this, and that's how you put them in one code. So I can just get rid of this. And now I'm going to give these a background color. It's buttons. And so I'm going to just do background color like I did here. It's just because I'm lazy, I just do this. And what color do I want? I think I'll try blue. I had before for the background color of the whole thing. Now these links just have a background color. Now that these sentences have a background color, it's just going to look like highlighted words. But what I want to do is have a button. So what I could do is do padding, so that way there's more space between the words and then everything else. And all of that will be covered with this background color. So I want to have 10 pixel back padding. I want this for everything. You can do whatever padding you want. I'm just using 10 pixels because I like that. And now I can also do alignment using text align to change where these buttons are going to be. Actually, no, I can't. Never mind. I just remembered. But now I have a button, and I should at least. Let's just make sure, because some stuff may have been screwed over. Let's just make sure. Here we go, a button. I go to Google, and I go to Google. There are a lot of different things you could do with buttons. There's a basic button here. Looks like it comes out of a menu from this thing, so that's kind of cool, I think. And so what we did today was make a website with HTML and CSS using Notepad. We used a kind of style sheet called an external style sheet, which needs its own file. It can be used to change the whole website style. There's also internal style sheets, which are style sheets put in the header of a page. They only edit the style of a page, not the whole website that you have. And then finally, there are inline style sheets, which are just codes added to lines of code that give them a specific style. And to make an inline style sheet, you add style after the first part of the code, but before the second caret, like this. So let's say, actually, like, where is it? Like this, actually, basically. Except instead of class, you have style, and then you equals, and then you have parentheses, and then, well, actually, not parentheses. Here, I can show you. So I'm gonna make this have a background color. Here you go. Try red. Should work. Doesn't maybe it needs those quotation marks I emphasize. Yep, quotation marks. Quotation marks are everything. And here we go. See, now I don't need as many red backs. Now, excuse me. Hello. Now I don't need as many red Big Macs. And so, now you know how to make an inline style sheet. And that about wraps up this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.